What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, where I just give my thoughts and opinions about what's going on in the car community. YouTube, we are a car discussion channel, guys. Hopefully you like this kind of stuff. If you're new to the channel, thanks a million for clicking on the video. Hope you're doing well wherever you are in the world. Please do check out my other videos, get involved, smash the subscribe button. It'd be dope if you would do that, please. And yeah, do comment below, smash the like button. I do read all your comments. I do respond to your comments as well. On today's episode, we're going to be covering Hycade, Shmee 150, and Matt Armstrong, and a few others as well, guys. Also, if you want to follow me on my Instagram, if you want to send me any videos to check out or any stories, please do. Just hit me up in my DMs. I'll give you a shout out on the channel as well, on your Instagram, so that'd be pretty dope too. And yeah, guys, just an update on the wrapping kit. So the actual tools came and the heat gun came, so I'm just waiting for the Chinese wrap to come from AliExpress. I got carbon fiber wrap, I got black chrome, and I got satin red chrome. Now they're always small rolls. Again, guys, I know it's Chinese wrap. I just want to mess around with it. So when those wraps get here, I will start making videos about how I just feel getting wrapping and stuff like that. So that's something to look forward to. I do hopefully can get up to the level of wrapping a car. It is a big thing for me for when we get the project car as well. So let's jump into today's video. We're going to kick it off with Hycade. I had to kick it off with Hycade, as you've probably seen from the thumbnail. Unbelievable. Like, this guy, how can I say it? His renders are just so damn good. I was just blown away. This R34 that he did, the first car, like the first color, this purple, is insane. I absolutely fucking love it. The kit in it is just nuts. I mean, like, if I had an R34 and I saw there was this kit you could buy for it, I mean, I'd be all over it. I'd buy it in an instance. The only thing I don't like that he does is he does repeat the same kind of wheels over and over again. Hopefully he'll actually change up the wheels, but the rest of his renders are absolutely fucking stunning. I just can't get over how good he is at his renders. Like, his subscribers are shooting up. I think he's at like 71,000 subscribers. His views are like anywhere from 350 up to nearly 1 million views. It's absolutely nuts. Hopefully he'll keep growing, and some company or somebody will pick this guy up to start building these body kits, because I know for a fact, I would say TJ Hunt, Stradman, DD, they would probably go for these guys' body kits, guys. I really do think he would make a fortune off it, as well as what he's probably getting view-wise off AdSense and Google. He's killing it, and I applaud him. Fair dues to him. Great talent, very good at what he does. Highly recommend go check out his other videos and let me know if you like it. If you don't like the body kit, check out what other videos he has there and let me know what kind of cars you've liked that he has rendered. Next up, guys, is going to be Shmee 150. He, as we know, was at the Goodwood Festival of Speed over in the UK. Have to cover him because he went and got the spin in the Nevera Rimac. And yeah, I mean, like, the thing is an absolute monster. Nearly 2,000 brake horsepower of 4 electric motors. Over 2,000 newton meters of fucking torque. It's absolutely nuts, this machine. They're only building 150 of them, as we know, and his reaction, guys, is it just tells you how quick this car is. So here's a quick clip for you guys.
Oh, this is surreal. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. I thought I had to hold on and drift. It never translates. This performance.
And there you have it, folks. Let me know what you think of the car below. It's gorgeous looking as well. I know CarWow did a review as well, and just saw how quick it was. It's just insane fast. I mean, if you're one of the 150 that can get your hands on this car, you're very, very lucky. It'd be well worth the money. The thing is just nuts. And it was great that Shmee got to go in, and you can just tell by his reaction how damn scary fast that car is. It's fucking crazy. Like, I mean, God, you just wish you were rich to be able to have these cars. It's absolutely nuts. And Another thing, actually, the next person actually we're covering is Sports and Touring. My friend Anthony from there. I did mention, guys, I was always wondering how Shmee made his money on to afford all his cars. And Anthony actually did send me on a link that actually, it's a video about how he makes his money. So I might actually cover that as a video, just a reaction to it, because I never knew how he does it, because I said he'd never get it from the AdSense. So that's something I might actually do. If you want me to do that, I'll cover how Shmee's made his money. I'll watch the video and I'll cover it in the next week or something. And speaking of sports and touring, that's who we're going to be moving on to next. Guys, sports and touring, all I can say is, like, Anthony has done brilliant by his channel. First of all, congratulations, Anthony, to hitting over 3,000 subs. And guys, this is a massive thing for a small channel. I mean, they're after getting their first press car. It's the Mach-E, the Ford Mustang. Like, they're going into the SUV. And all I can say is, the way he shot this was brilliant. For, like, I feel like he's done Ford proud the way he shot it. It was very in-depth. I loved all the quirks and features that they covered as well in it. And I think it's actually a pretty cool looking, I suppose, SUV, if you want to call it that. I think it's around the £40,000 mark. It's like, it looks a bit like a Jaguar F-Pace, I think it's called, and a bit like the back of it. I don't know, and a bit of a yours. The only thing I don't like about it is the wheels. Obviously you can swap them out, but excuse me, but. Yeah, great review, guys. Highly recommend go and check out the video in the link in the description below. It would really kind of, surprise you, if you were thinking about buying one. Just the range on it, the inside of it, there's a big massive screen. I really, really like the interior on it. The interior is really, really nice. Anthony was actually going to get one of these due to COVID. He couldn't, but just the way it looks and the color on it's pretty nice. He ended up having to charge it, but just the way he shot it as well, guys, all I can say is you got to go over, check out, if you're interested in thinking of getting the Mach-E. This is a great review. Well done, Anthony. And for your first press car, I mean, fortunately he'll give you more cars. Hopefully they will give you the old GT40. That would be absolutely epic if you ended up getting it. But onwards and upwards, great springboard for you to use that to other car manufacturers. Say, look, this is what we did for a press car for Ford. I cannot wait to do other ones. I highly recommend, guys, link in the description below. Go over and check it out. Next up is going to be Matt Armstrong. Matt Armstrong, guys, I love Matt's channel. Absolutely fucking love him. He's self-taught. He can wrap his own cars. He modifies them, fixes them. And he's continued on with now power gains for the M4 competition that he has. So he's gone away and put down, he's put downpipes on it and a tune, and it's nuts. Like, I never knew that the M4 competition were around 436 horsepower. I never knew that. I thought they were like in the 300s. I didn't know they were that quick standard. And I think it's the GTS is 490. So he has gone away and done downpipes, give it a tune, and I was shocked at how much horsepower he ended up getting out of this thing. He ended up getting out an extra 100 horsepower out of it. He got 439 horsepower thereabouts. 539 horsepower with like over 600, I think around 595 newton meters of torque. Now, newton meters of torque for me, guys, I think is more of a UK thing. I'm all about, foot-pounds of torque. I don't know the conversion for newton meters. But yeah, he was doing the 0 to 60 times. It got 3.92 standard and got 4.2 because it was just so much power in the rear wheels that it just couldn't grip when he was doing his 0 to 60. And yeah, it sounds insane with downpipes on it. That is one hell of a quick car. Never knew those cars are that quick, and I really like the way it looks as well. Just Matt kills it. Love the way he modifies his cars, guys. Let me know what you think of Matt Armstrong's channel in the comments below, because that's the way I would modify my cars. That's what, if I end up modifying cars and get a project car, I would basically be doing what he's going to do, and that's the way I like to do my cars. So, but yeah, guys, go check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And last up on the list, guys, is going to be Evan Shanks. Haven't covered Evan in quite a bit. He's come out with basically his R33 build. I think he has a GTR. I'm pretty sure he does. He is airbagging this, and he is building it, you know, from the bottom end up. He's got a lot of parts for the engine. He's got new fuel pumps. He's got billet parts for it, I think, as well. I don't know much about the RB engines at all, guys. I'm a Toyota, you know, Supra person myself. But I will be watching this build carefully. I love watching builds because I learn. That's what I'm all about. I want to learn more about engines. I'm all about cosmetics. And the reason he's putting air suspension on it is because that front lip that he has, which I never knew, is so rare that if you're trying to buy it, it costs you like, you know, 3,500–4,000 euros to get that lip. And if I was him, I would be putting a 10 grand air suspension on your car as well. I love the R33. I'm not an R32 fan. I really do like the R33, then the R34, and then the R35. But his purple one, absolutely stunning. It's going to look absolutely sick when it's aired out. I think he's pushing for 750 brake horsepower with the built engine. It's going to be a cool build. I really like Evan Shanks, you know, his channel, guys. It's such a positive, good channel. The way he does his thing, the way he mods his cars and everything. Just a big fan. I love covering him, watching his videos. Highly recommend go check it out. If you don't, let me know what you think of Evan Shanks' channel in the comments below as well, guys, because I really do love watching him. He's like a tavarish for me up there as well. So that's it for today, guys. Won't go on any too longer. Thanks a million again if you watched the end. Really does mean a lot to me. You guys supporting the channel, hitting that like button. You just keep smashing it. I can't thank you enough. And hopefully I will bring you the content when we get rolling, when I get my mortgage for my house and I get this loan for a car. I will get there, guys. I promise you. We're just slow getting there, but with your support and you know, the way you've been supporting the channel, I can't thank you enough. So until the next episode, guys, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.